In this video, we are going to demonstrate how the PhenoDB filter function works. The filter function is good for focusing your analysis on specific genes, phenotypes, or gene interactions. In PhenoDB, on the submission page, you will see a link labeled Filter. If you click Filter, you will be taken to a page where you can see the family members in this analysis, their affected status, and, if they've been sequenced, the ANNOVAR file ID for each patient. You will also see all the results files from all the previous analyses you have done for these family members. To perform a filtered analysis, first select either an ANNOVAR file or an analysis results file that you would like to filter. Then, name the analysis that you are about to perform in the Run Name text box. Now, select the filter option you would like to use from the drop-down menu. Currently, there are 4 options. The first filter option is Gene Names. This filter allows you to look for variants in specific genes. Write the names of the genes of interest in the text box, separated by commas. Then, click Run Filter Analysis. When you run the analysis, all of the variants of the genes you listed that are found in the file you selected will be in the filtered analysis results file. For example, if we select the autosomal dominant analysis file and filter it for variants at SPATA5, FGFR3, and TTN, all the variants in these 3 genes that appear in the AD analysis file will be in the final results of the filtered analysis. In this case, no variants in those genes were found in our AD analysis file, and this is displayed in the results log for the filtered analysis. Click Save Analysis Result to save the analysis. Once saved, it will appear in your table of all results files. You can download the results in a tab-delimited or Excel file, or view the log file. These can be viewed and downloaded at any time. The second filter option is ACMG Incidental Findings. This filter consists of the 57 genes for which ACMG recommends reporting incidental findings of pathogenic and likely pathogenic variants. If you select this filter option, any variants in the file you selected that occur in these 57 genes will be in the filtered analysis results file. The third filter option is the OMIM phenotypic series filter. This option lets you filter your analysis for variants in genes associated with a specific phenotype. A phenotypic series is a collection of similar phenotypes caused by different genes. You can learn more about phenotypic series by going to omim.org. For example, the Noonan syndrome phenotypic series consists of all the genes known to cause Noonan syndrome. If you want to investigate variants in your file that are in genes associated with Noonan syndrome, begin typing Noonan syndrome and select the appropriate phenotypic series from the drop-down menu. All of the genes in the Noonan syndrome series will automatically populate into the text box. When you run the filtered analysis, if any of the variants in the file you selected are found in any of the genes in the phenotypic series, they will be included in your filtered analysis results file. The last filter option is the Interactions filter. This option lets you filter for variants in genes that interact with a specific set of genes of interest. You can choose the level of the interaction by selecting first-order match, second-order match, or third-order match. Write the names of the genes you are interested in the text box. If you choose first-order match, any variants in your file that are in genes that directly interact with a gene in your list of interest will show up in the filtered analysis results file. If you select second-order match, any variants in your file that are in genes that interact with a gene that interacts with a gene in your list of interest will appear in the filtered analysis results file. If you select third-order match, any variants in genes that interact with a gene that interacts with a gene that interacts with a gene in your list of interest will appear in the filtered analysis results file. You can save the filtered analysis results by clicking Save Analysis Results. Once saved, the filtered analysis will appear in your table of all results files. You can download the results in a tab-delimited or Excel file and view the log file, which shows how the analysis was run. These can be viewed and downloaded at any time. This concludes the filtering function in PhenoDB.